WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging services available today. But everything has its pros and cons, so does WhatsApp. The end-to-end encrypted messaging platform could be misused, and there are times when the user has to take preventive measures to keep their data safe and secure. So, here are a few safety features which we all should know. Group privacy settings. WhatsApp's privacy settings and group invite system helps the users to decide who could be added to the groups accordingly. This ensures user privacy and prevents people from being added to unwanted groups. Block and report. WhatsApp provides a simple way for users to block accounts and make reports to WhatsApp if they encounter problematic messages in individual or group chats. Forward limits. In addition to limiting highly forwarded messages to one chat at a time, WhatsApp has also introduced new group forwarding limits where messages that have the forwarded label can only be forwarded to one group at a time rather than 5. Report spam. WhatsApp has advanced spam detection technology, which takes action on accounts engaging in bulk messaging. WhatsApp encourages users to block the sender and report problematic content and accounts to WhatsApp. With these safety features, WhatsApp also enables its users to control what details they want to share with others in their personal profile.